natin ako nakaliwala, tapos ngayon reserve na siya at competition. It's kind of bittersweet. But for me, it's not really about the followers that we gain or sumikat of your own, whatever. It's about your impact and how your story was able to inspire the people out there. And in my case, whenever I would post, especially my journey, which was recently now, there were many people who messaged me online telling how they were inspired by my journey and they were also wanting to join Mr. Rich and it's nice to hear those stories and how you're able to inspire even just a few people in your life to do the same, to take a chance on yourself. So that for me is one of the best feelings. And now as a title holder, we will have much bigger platforms and more opportunities to amplify our advocacy message. So I'm very happy for that.
Yeah, for me, 10 days. 10 days after the coronation, it's been a while. And it's still overwhelming, especially now. It's the first day back to work, back in business. For me, it was a good. I had a quick trip to Siargao. It was very nice. It was very. I was able to reconnect with myself, as I said earlier, to stay rooted, to stay grounded, and not to be overwhelmed with the noise, with the voices outside my purpose, outside my vision, and outside of what I want to do as Mr. China. So, hopefully we can deliver. Could you repeat the question, sorry?
How are you? Kasi sabi nga ni Mami David, di ba ikaw ng panibago? Crush ng pangalan.
Right after the coronation, parang it was just silence. We were given the chance to rest, catch up on our sleep, and it was very nostalgic. It was only yesterday when we had the first day of photo shoot, and I miss all my co-families as well, and it was such a fun journey. Thank you.
Simple to feel movie is really very nostalgic because it's really a long journey, 2.5 months, and it's really fun. I get to hang out and share my journey with people, and yeah, feeling ko nasa cloud nito na ako now. I can't believe na tapos na, pero yeah, sabi pero we're back, and see you soon again sa mga activities.
Actually, I feel very grateful. I think that's one word that can encapsulate how I'm feeling. Very grateful because I was able to experience this journey. I was able to meet wonderful people, and I was able to discover more of myself. And this is not just about myself. This is also about what I can do for the people. Because this pageant is all about for the people. It's not just about serving myself.
After the coronation night, day after, I need to go back to Cebu because I need to catch up with work, so sobrang busy na rin. Pero right after that night, and when I woke up in the morning, naging sentimental ako. Kasi parang, yun na yun, like, wala na poster lines, I can't see other candidates now, or maybe not so often na. I get to reminisce our moments, get to reminisce our experiences, our memories during the competition, and yeah, I hope to get to see them very soon, and I hope we'll also have a very successful and impactful reign for 2025. Thank you.
My next question is, what is the best advice that Madam Vanessa Law or Tito Norman or the organization told you that you will keep or treasure on your one-year dream or dream?
I mentioned this earlier. It's to always show up, even if may times na nakakapagod talaga yung work responsibilities. But in the first first place, we wanted this. So it's really important to show up because you're also this image and also an inspiration to the Filipino Chinese community. So it's very important to always be there and do your responsibilities as a winner. Thank you.
I think the best advice Achi Vanessa and the whole team has told me is always be yourself. Just be yourself because nothing can ever be more true than your authentic self.
For me naman, it's quite different. I would say that, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not used to being in the limelight. It is my first time actually fighting for something that I really want to do. That's why I remember vividly when Ashley Vanessa told me during one of our sponsor visits, Lisa, you have to be aggressive. And that kind of was like a wake-up call in my life. Not only in this pageant, but in life in general. You have to be aggressive with what you want because it's your dream at the end of the day. No one will fight for it like you will because that is your dream, that is your passion. And for me, besides that, it's what Uncle and Auntie has always imparted on us and how they showed it to us as well, how much they care for this organization. That you're not just candidates, you are representing this organization wherever you go. So it's important that you always show up and embody what it is to be a Chinoy and empower Chinoy. And instead of pressure, it's a challenge for me each and every time when I was still a candidate. How will I show up my best self? And using the advice I had, it taught me one thing. That is to continuously improve. Never be too comfortable in the position you are in. Continuously refine yourself because that is what success is all about. It doesn't have any finish line. It's a continuous journey. And in that day, made me realize that.
And I thank you, Yung naman talaga napapanisa. Anyway, for me, siguro naman with Q&As, I don't have any flowery words. I just say it's direct to the point what I want to say. I have this, sometimes I'm kind of clouded with my thoughts in my mind that I don't know what to say or I don't get my train of thoughts. And that's one of my worries, especially during the pageant, the Q&A portion. I'm very, very glad na at least kahit paano naman natawag natin. And so yun ang best advice sa akin ni Achi Vanessa was just to, be yourself. If you answer that way, then so be it. Just be authentic. If wala kang malagdag pa, or just go straight to the point, answer straight to the point. Yun lang.
I think one of the best lessons that Ashley Vanessa has taught me is using the Filipino-Chinese values as a moral compass in life. Using the same values and instincts when making decisions. And I think that has helped me become a better person also. Thank you.
For me, bro, I think teamwork is I know that we're capable of achieving a lot of things, and as long as we stick together, along with Achi Vanessa, Ate, and Shimanosa, we're bound to do big things, big, bolder, better things ahead of 2026. Fine. Thank you.
And for my last question, what is your simple or personal message to Madam Vanessa Law and the organization?
Iiyak si Madam.
So I'm really grateful since day one, Lea, Wilson, Tito Norman, Ayana. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I've learned a lot. Ang dami ng tulong sa akin personally, and can't wait for more. And I'm looking forward to more moments with everyone.
Thank you for this journey full of growth and opportunities. And as title holders, we will give everything and all our best for the organization. Thank you.
For me, personally, I really want to extend my gratitude to Wilson, Vanessa, Lea, Ayagab, Tito Norman. Maraming maraming salamat sa love na binigay niya sa akin. You made me feel like, you know, this organization loves me. They accept me for who I am. And you know, parang I found my identity here also in MMC, which is being rooted in elegance. And it's something that I will always put into my heart. And yun nga sabi niya, Shiva niya sa kanina, MMCP will always have our back 100 to 100%. Just know that you guys will also have my back 1,000% back. Thank you.
Ang dami ko gusto sabihin kay Archie Vanessa and of course kay Uncle and Auntie. But I'm very thankful for all of you kasi you saw it in me, you believed in me since day one. And even if there were times I didn't believe in myself, I felt like you always believed in me. And for that, I thank you because it's not every day you meet people in your life that will push you, that will want you to reach for your dreams and will help you in doing that. So I'm very thankful. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to transform, to come out of my shadows and to embrace the light and to be the person I'm destined to be. I'm very thankful because this wasn't just a journey to the crown, but it was a journey to self-discovery, a journey to transformation and growth. And it's a very great feeling to finally represent what this organization is all about. And besides that, help them in becoming bridge not only between Chinese and Filipino communities, but also Chinoys like myself towards their dreams. So Andy, Uncle, Atsi, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for giving us this journey. I'm so excited for this to come. Thank you so much.
To Uncle Charman, Tito Norman, Auntie Leia, Anya Gab, Archie Vanessa, thank you so much for embracing us like family. I still remember that day of the 76th anniversary of the Filipino and Chinese friendship. You welcomed us candidates into your home. I still remember that banana bread, Auntie, Uncle, super yummy. And I really feel like we're a family here. And I also see the vision of why this pageant exists in the first place. And I believe in the mission, the vision, and the goal. And I'm here to execute, deliver, and slay. Make you proud, the best I can. Thank you so much.
I just want to say thank you so much for always pushing us, for being aggressive in a way where we get to